Welcome to Melbourne, a bright and beautiful city in Australia. We are so happy to have you here with us today. This is a place full of vibrant energy. Tall, modern buildings reach for the sky. Charming, small streets hide wonderful secrets. Busy trams crisscross the city. Quiet green parks where you can rest. Today, we are going on a special market-to-beach journey. This adventure will show you the very best parts of this amazing city. From high above, Melbourne looks like a giant, intricate pattern of streets and buildings. The Yarra River winds through like a shimmering ribbon, and the coastline stretches along the bay in a gentle curve. Grey rooftops, green parks, the sparkling river, birds soaring above skyscrapers, the busy streets below, tiny cars and people, make the city feel alive. Now let's come down to street level and walk along the main avenues. Wide footpaths lined with trees and people. Hear the familiar ding-ding as trams glide past. Cars moving through intersections. Buses along main routes. Bicycles weaving in bike lanes. People from all walks of life meet on corners, chatting and laughing. Shop fronts with colourful displays, stylish clothes, interesting books, unique souvenirs, freshly brewed coffee in takeaway cups. Be aware of your surroundings. Use crossings and wait for the green signal. Keep your bag and wallet close. Simple tips for a safe, worry-free journey. To truly discover the soul of Melbourne, you must turn away from the main streets and explore its famous laneways. These narrow alleys are like hidden galleries where drab brick walls are transformed into vibrant canvases of street art. Every corner reveals new colours, bold designs, powerful stories, all painted by talented local artists. You will find tiny, charming cafes serving some of the city's best coffee. Unique little shops and quirky boutiques wait to be discovered. People stop to take photos, smiling as they capture the creative energy. The laneways are an essential part of Melbourne life. Next on our journey, a bustling market. Markets like Queen Victoria Market open early and are a feast for the senses. Smells of fresh produce and warm bread straight from the oven, savoury cheeses, colourful fruits and vegetables, glistening fresh fish, golden pastries you can't resist. Taste a juicy piece of seasonal fruit or a warm, flaky croissant. Sellers are incredibly friendly and love to talk about their products. You can hear cheerful music and happy laughter. Walking through the market is a truly immersive experience. Locals do their weekly shopping, a symphony of sounds, vendors calling out specials, the rustle of paper bags, the gentle hum of a happy crowd. Feel a rustic loaf, a ripe tomato. It's a community hub. Markets are well signposted and easy by tram. Grab a free map or use your phone. Choose a meeting spot. Bring a reusable bag. A little planning makes it smooth and enjoyable. After the lively energy of the market, a peaceful walk along the Yarra River is the perfect way to unwind. The river flows through the heart of the city, its banks are lined with green paths. People enjoy the outdoors, riding bikes, jogging along the water's edge, or simply sitting on a bench to watch the gentle flow. City tour boats glide quietly as the pace slows to a calm. Rest, relax, and plan the next part of our day. Now, it's time to head to the beach. Getting there is part of the fun. Hop on a classic Melbourne tram. The ride to the coast is short and lovely. Notice the scenery changing. Tall city buildings give way to charming suburban houses with pretty gardens, and the air begins to feel different as you leave the city noise behind. Rent a bike as an alternative and follow dedicated bike paths to the coast. Enjoy the fresh air on the ride. The journey shows everyday Melbourne life. Kids walking home from school, people tending gardens, and friendly local shops. See the transition to a relaxed coastal atmosphere. Sounds shift from hustle and bustle to a quieter suburban hum. Smell the faint, salty scent of the sea. You're close. Have a myki card ready. Melbourne's reusable travel card. Buy and top up at stations and stores. Touch on and off at the reader. Check the tram map for routes to St Kilda or Brighton. Public transport is user-friendly. Ticket ready and know your stop. As you step off the tram, you are greeted by an open sky and the soft, warm sand of the beach. The beaches near Melbourne, such as the famous St Kilda beach, are wide, clean, and incredibly inviting. Gentle bay waves lap the shore with a soothing rhythm. Surfers wait for the perfect wave. Families picnic on blankets, build sandcastles, and fly colourful kites that dance in the sea breeze. Fresh, open, and free. A complete contrast to the city centre. The beach offers a perfect escape and a place to rejuvenate. An aerial shot reveals a stunning panorama, brilliant blue water meeting clean white sand. The coastline curves gently, like a welcoming smile. Farther out, ships cross the bay, and small distant islands appear. Sunlight makes the surface sparkle like a blanket of diamonds, with the city skyline not far behind. Take off your shoes and feel the sand between your toes. Walk the water's edge and let cool waves wash over your feet. Sit, close your eyes, and listen to the sound of the sea. The beach is a calm and happy end to a busy day. Remember to stay safe in the sun with a hat and sunscreen, and always swim between the flags. Goodbye from Melbourne. Walk the colourful lanes. Discover the street art. Buy fresh food at lively markets. Taste the city. Feel the sand. Listen to the waves. See the grand design from the sky. A trip to Melbourne is filled with joy and wonder, a memory you'll keep with a happy smile.